Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for crab cakes. They're so delicious and easy to make. They're great for lunch or dinner, so let's get started. So to make this recipe you'll need 8 ounces of crab meat that's drained, 1 cup of corn, 2 green onions that's finely chopped, 1/4 cup of red bell pepper chopped, 1/4 cup of celery that's chopped, 1/4 cup of shallots chopped, 2 garlic cloves that are minced, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay, a pinch of salt and pepper, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. So in the pan I have about a tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to take the garlic, the shallots, and the pepper, add that to the pan. Now you just want to cook these until they're soft, maybe about 3 minutes. My flame is on a medium to low. The peppers, the shallots, and the garlic are softened. You're going to transfer that into a bowl. And you're going to just let it cool to room temperature. Next, you're going to take your mayonnaise, your Dijon mustard, and the green onions, and you're just going to combine them all. So you're just going to mix it well. So in a large bowl, you're going to be taking all your ingredients and putting it into the crab meat. So I'm going to be putting in the corn, the breadcrumbs, the peppers and the shallots, the celery, the egg, the Old Bay and the salt and pepper, okay, the green onions with the mayonnaise. Everything goes into one bowl. And then you're going to mix it all. Once you mix the crab meat, you're going to cover it and put it into the freezer for about 15 minutes so it'll firm up. So I just took the crab meat out of the freezer, and what you're going to be doing is shaping them. So you just take the size that you want, and I don't want it too big and I don't want it too small. So about this size, and just lay it down on a plate. They're all shaped. You need a pan with about 1/4 cup of oil in it. You're going to put it on a medium to low flame, and you're just going to gently pick them up and put them into the pan. So I'm going to be cooking these about 3 minutes on each side. So after the 3rd minute, I'm going to flip them over, and then another 3 minutes on the other side. So once you take the crab cakes out of the pan, you want to just drain them on a paper towel. And here you have it, my delicious recipe for crab cakes. Serve it with tartar sauce or lemon. It's so delicious. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.